Welcome back to ArtiGenius. In our previous video, we completed the first 50% of our tutor profile. Today, we're going to take it further and reach at least 80% completion. Why is this important? Profiles that are more than 80% complete have a much higher chance of being approved quickly. They show up better in search results, and they build trust with students right from the start. So let's dive in and complete the remaining details step by step. From your dashboard, click on the button that says Complete Your Profile. This will take us to the Profile Details page, where we'll be adding important sections like Experience, Education, Achievements, and Endorsements. Let's start with Experience. Your teaching or professional experience tells potential students about your background, where you've taught before, or the kind of projects you've worked on. Even if you're new, you can add internships, volunteer work, or personal projects that show your skills. Click on Add New here. Enter your name or organization. Add your location and position. You can also upload a logo or image that represents your experience. Once done, click Save. Next, we'll add our education or certifications. This section helps students know your qualifications. Whether it's a formal degree, a diploma, or a short professional course, it's all valuable. Click Add New. Enter your education title, institution name, and select the year you completed it. If you have a certificate or a related image, you can upload it here. Once you've added everything, click Save. Moving on, let's add achievements. Achievements are a great way to show recognition for your work. This could be awards, honors, competition wins, or any notable milestone. Click Add New and type the title of your achievement, a short description, and select the year. You can also attach a photo or certificate here. Once you're done, hit Save. Lastly, let's add endorsements. Endorsements are like testimonials. They show what others have to say about your skills and teaching style. If you've received recommendations from students, colleagues, or institutions, you can add them here. Click Add New, enter a title, write a short description, and upload an image or video if you have one. When you're done, click Save. And that's it. We've added all the extra details: experience, education, achievements, and endorsements. Now our profile is over 80% complete and ready for review. On your dashboard, you'll see the Submit for Review button right here. Click on it, and your profile will be sent to the ArtiGenius team for verification. Once you submit your profile, our team will review it in 3 working days. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more ArtiGenius tutorials.